equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the performance of your Dyson. If you find this task overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the back cover removed, locate the cable connection point. You will see where the cable is attached to the motor. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding wires. Once the old cable is removed, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Next, connect the new cable to the motor. Make sure to match the colors of the wires correctly. Typically, the brown wire is live, the blue wire is neutral, and the green-yellow wire is for earth. Secure the connections with electrical tape to ensure they are safe and insulated. If you're unsure about this step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can get a clear idea of costs before proceeding. After securing the new cable, carefully replace the back cover of the vacuum cleaner. Align it properly and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this may damage the plastic. Once the back cover is back in place, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source. Turn it on to test if the new cable is functioning correctly. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01. If you encounter any issues or feel that this repair is too challenging, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service right at your doorstep. In summary, replacing the cable on your Dyson HD01 is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your vacuum cleaner up and running in no time. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.